and welcome to Jerusalem, one of the holiest places on earth. We arrived yesterday afternoon in the Hotel Kaplan, which is located very conveniently in the city of Jerusalem. Now it's the next day and we are ready to explore the old city of Jerusalem. So we're making our way to the old city, as I said before, and we have now arrived at the Jaffa Gate, and this is also the meeting point of our free walking tour around the old city.
Our first stop on our tour is the Armenian Quarter. As you probably know, Jerusalem is divided into 4 quarters: the Christian Quarter, Armenian Quarter, Muslim Quarter, and also the Jewish Quarter. And on our tour we will see all of them.
The walking tour is going on and it's very interesting. So Patrick told you about the 4 quarters in Jerusalem. We came actually from this part, which is the Armenian Quarter. Now we have been to the Jewish Quarter, right on this side. And over there it's the Muslim Quarter. And here on this side it's the Christian part. So I think we will now continue to the Muslim part.
Yeah, I'm restless, so give me something to do. Yeah, I can't stay here because I need to dance. Jump around and show them how I move. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink, I'm calling shawty.
So behind me you can see the holiest church of the Christian religion. This is the place where Jesus was crucified and resurrected.
So the tour has finished and we are back at the beginning at Jaffa Gate. We would like to rate the tour for you guys so that you know if you should do it or not, but a little disclaimer at the beginning: we are not the people that are absolutely interested or fascinated by religion, and therefore our interest is a bit smaller than probably most of other people, but nonetheless we liked the tour really much. It was very interesting to see all these 4 ethnic groups live together in these 4 quarters, and we highly recommend to do the tour. It only lasts 2 hours, so it won't get boring, and we just recommend to do it. The company of the free walking tour is called Sundayman's New Jerusalem Free Tour, and we leave a link of the tour in the description below, so if you are interested, check them out.
I'm gonna find a crown so I can put it on me. Swinging from the chandeliers, I won't be sorry. I got a feeling I'm gonna crash into this party.
Welcome back. It's evening, as you can see, and we are on our way to dinner. We spent some hours in our hotel, which is located on the Jaffa Street, which is very conveniently located.
I'm just an accident waiting to happen like
just arrived at the market here in Jerusalem and it smells absolutely incredible. We don't know yet what we will eat for dinner, so now let's head back and get some delicious food.
Yeah, I'm going all night, I don't need to stop. Yeah, I can't wait to hear that bass drop dance. It's all I wanna do right now. Oh, everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center.
Is it good?
Very delightful. What do you think?
Very delicious. You need to come to Jachnun Bar at the market and get one of those. Beautiful.
Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink.
After we ate the wrap here at the market, we are now certainly eating some dessert. This is a local dessert which consists of cheese, cow cheese, syrup and some like the fizzy stuff up here. No idea what that is. It's quite delicious. We like it.
Sunset slow, hey, you know you should stay for the night. What you think, one more drink while we're...
Welcome back to another day here in Jerusalem. We started our morning with some delicious coffee from a store called Aroma. And also we tried for the first time the very famous chocolate rugelach. They are very popular here in Israel, or I think, or maybe just Jerusalem, I don't know. But we will try for the first time and I'm sure they are very delicious.
Cause this might be love. It's a feeling that I can't get rid of. So just
We will explore the Mount of Olives today, and in order to get there we have to cross the old city of Jerusalem again, so let's get there.
take a chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Let's go!
So we arrived on Mount Olives after a 3K walk / hike from our hotel, and now we arrived on top of the mountain.
You will have a great overview over the whole city of Jerusalem, and apparently the Mount of Olives is a very holy place because according to the Bible it's the place where Jesus ascended to the heaven. So for Christian people, it's a very important place.
Cause this might be love. It's a feeling that I can't get rid of. So just take my hand. I wanna be with you and take baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love.
We are currently here standing at the Western Wall, which is one of the most religious places for Jewish people. The people are praying at the wall, talking to their God, and also have prayers or wishes on notes, and then they stick it into the wall so that they hope that their wishes are being fulfilled in the future. So guys, this was Jerusalem in a nutshell. Did we do everything? No way. Could we have done it in one day? Yes, you could. So if you are in a hurry, you could do what we did in one day.
So tomorrow we will head to a new city in Israel. It's Nazareth, in the northern part of the country.
And from Nazareth we will head to a new country, our fourth on our trip around the world.
So if you like this video about Jerusalem and also Tel Aviv, give it a thumbs up. And if we missed something crucial, leave a comment below.
And if you want to see all of our other adventures, consider to subscribe to our channel. So see you in the next one.
Bye!